write this letter. My heart's beating much too fast for my day. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I need you, yeah. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I've heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I love you, my love, whatever need we part. I need reassurance. Those thoughts I've been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Oh baby, will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you too long. So when I'm home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I need you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I love you, my love, whatever need we part. It's been so
Thank